All right, it is that time. Latest jobless claims figure. And Rick Santelli is standing by at the CME in Chicago. Rick, the numbers, please.
884,000, Joe, is the newest read for initial jobless claims, very close to the expectations of 850,000. And on continuing claims, a bit of a miss, expecting a number a little bit less than 13 million. We ended up with a number more than 13 million. 13,385,000 is the number. I'm sure the revisions will trickle in. But while we're waiting, Joe, let's take a look at August producer price index, expecting up 0.2. It is up 0.3 on headline. And if we look at the headline number, and remember, this series goes back to 2010 because they keep modifying the inflation adjustment process. The extremes are up 0.9 and down 0.9, just to give you an idea. And if we strip out the all-important food and energy, we're up 0.4, double the expectations. Ex-food, energy, and trade, we're up 0.3, also a bit hotter than expected. Now for the long view, let's go year over year. Year over year, ex-food and energy is up 0.6. Year over year, PPI normalized is down 0.2, and we're expecting a down number there. And if we look at, let's see, year over year, ex-food and energy and trade, it's up 0.3, a little hotter than expected. Now, let's go back to those revisions, shall we? Initial jobless claims last week of 881,000 was ramped up to exactly where the new number is, 884,000, which means this week is unchanged. And as far as continuing claims last week, a very subtle adjustment from 13,254,000 to 13,292,000. To summarize, we could say that claims were a bit of a miss on the continuing side, as expected or close to it on initial, and pretty much warmer on producer prices on the here and now. Year over year, it's pretty hard to take that long shot right now, considering all the questions as to demand pressure, supply chains, how that's all going to play out. We continue to monitor interest rates, and we have the last of $108 billion in supply today with $23 billion 30-year bonds.